How to add doors, windows, and arcs. To add an object, we need to switch to either 2D or 3D mode, and select the construction category from the catalog. Then, we can hold down the left mouse button and drag the object to the desired location. Doors and arches can be added in the same way as windows. To change the size of an object, we can click on it and then use one of two options. First, we can resize it using points by holding down the left button and dragging it to change its width. Alternatively, we can specify the dimensions or adjust them using arrows on the right side of the screen. In 2D mode, it's best to change the width and depth of the object. To move an object, we can either use the left mouse button to hold and drag it, or we can use the keyboard buttons A and D, or the left and right arrows to move it left and right. In 3D mode, we can visually adjust the height of an object. After selecting the object, we can change its height by entering values, or using the arrows. We can also adjust the object's height relative to the floor by clicking the left mouse button, holding it down, and dragging it. This parameter can also be adjusted on the right side of the screen. The depth of windows, doors, or arches is automatically adjusted according to the thickness of the walls. If we drag an object, its depth will change according to the width of the walls. However, we can also manually adjust this parameter.